Hi everyone, tonight we're going to be making taco bubble bake. What all goes into taco bubble bake? 1/2 cup thinly sliced green onions, 1 pound lean ground beef, 1 package taco seasoning mix, 2/3 cup water, 1 10-ounce can of red enchilada sauce, 1 15-ounce can black beans drained and rinsed, 2 cups shredded Mexican cheese blend, 1 can flaky layers refrigerated biscuits, and then if you want to garnish it, you can have more green onions, guacamole, diced tomatoes, salsa, sour cream, or whatever you would like. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven, 375. Take a 13 by 9 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Then take a large skillet, put in your ground beef, and brown it until no longer pink. Alright, so the hamburger is brown, and if you have grease, now's the time to go ahead and drain it. Add your 2/3 cup water and the seasoning mix and stir it for 3 to 4 minutes until it is thickened. And you want to go ahead and stir it frequently. Alright, so it is pretty well thickened. We'll go ahead and add our 10 ounces of enchilada sauce. Our 15 ounces of black beans, drained and rinsed. One cup of the shredded cheese. And a 1/2 cup of cut green onions. And then just go ahead and stir that and let it heat up until it's heated up thoroughly all the way through. And you want to go ahead and take your biscuits, separate them into the 8 separate biscuits, and you have 8 separate biscuits. You want to take each biscuit and cut it into 8 pieces. And then put it into a bowl. And I'll go ahead and get that done and I'll be back. Alright, so I have the 8 biscuits cut into 8 pieces each. And you want to dump your hamburger mix in with the biscuits. And thoroughly stir until well combined. Dump your mix into your prepared 9 by 13 pan and spread it out. And make sure that your biscuits are thoroughly mixed within it, that they're not all in one spot. And then you want to bake it in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the biscuits are browned and thoroughly cooked. It is out of the oven after 25 minutes. We'll go ahead, as you can see, the biscuits are brown. We'll go ahead and put the last cup of cheese on it. and stick it back in the oven for another 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. So the cheese is all melted and the taco bubble bake is done. Now you can go ahead and put some more green onions on it over the whole thing, or you can do it individually. I'm going to do both. So I'll sprinkle a few green onions on there. And then I'll go ahead and dish it up and garnish it with other condiments. Okay, so here is the taco bubble bake, and we have it garnished with tomatoes, green onions, black olives, guacamole, sour cream, and a little bit more cheese. And rounding out the meal is brown and wild rice. So I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
This is very good. What is this?
Taco bubble bake.
Taco bubble bake. Okay. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.